In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook leads for wholesale real estate. 5 minutes. Let's jump straight in. First, open Facebook Ads Manager. If it's your first time, make sure you're signed into the correct business account and that your ad account and payment method are set up. Once you're in Ads Manager, head to the Campaigns view. This is where all your campaigns live and where you'll create new ones so you can keep everything organized and easy to track. Click the Create button to start a new campaign. When Facebook asks for your objective, choose leads. This tells the system you want contact information from prospects, not just clicks or reach, and it helps optimize delivery for people more likely to submit their details. After selecting leads, click Continue to move into the campaign setup screens. Now navigate to the conversion section within your ad set. Here's the key setting for wholesale real estate. Set your conversion location to website, and for the lead method, choose instant forms. Using instant forms keeps people on Facebook, which usually reduces friction and increases completion rates, while still allowing you to send them to your site when needed for credibility or extra information. Keep your form concise, ask only what you truly need like name, email and phone, so you don't scare away qualified sellers. Next, edit your budget and schedule. A steady daily budget often works best for testing. Start with a comfortable amount that you can let run for a few days to gather data. Set your schedule to run continuously, or choose a start date that aligns with your availability so you can respond to leads quickly. For real estate, speed matters. Also, make sure your time zone is correct to avoid unexpected pacing. Click Next to proceed through the remaining settings. This is where you'll confirm your ad creative and the instant form details. Keep your message clear and benefit driven. Let sellers know you can make a fair cash offer, close quickly, and buy as is. Use a clean image of a home or neighborhood and maintain compliance with Facebook's housing policies. Avoid discriminatory language and target broadly within your service area. Finally, review everything and click Publish. Double check the objective, conversion location, form selection, budget and schedule. After publishing, monitor performance and quality of leads inside Ads Manager and your chosen CRM. Respond fast, follow up politely, and refine your copy and form fields based on the best conversations you're having. That's it, your Facebook lead engine for wholesale real estate is live.